So the ALPINA B3 BiTurbo new has a very interesting display, unique to ALPINA, and it reminds me about the old B6 3.5 display, where the display also was taken out in order to have rear differential temperature, engine oil temperature, engine oil pressure. This looks very nice. Very high resolution also on the display.